Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecom Sprint. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do the shipping settings for your Indian dropshipping store using Shopify. So as you know that Indian market is a cash on delivery market, so the cash on delivery setting needs to be done on your store. So I'll be showing you step by step how you can do the shipping settings for cash on delivery. So without further ado, let's get started. To do the shipping settings, first go to settings and then you will find shipping option over there. Go to shipping. In the shipping you can see the manage rate section where you will have a general shipping rates based on the countries and location. Go to manage rates. Now if you're shipping out products physically from your own warehouse, you can mention that address over here. You can manage different warehouse addresses. Then if you scroll down, you will see shipping to options. Here you can set different shipping rates for different locations. You can create different shipping zone as well. We'll see how you can do that. So what we're going to do is we are going to set a cash on delivery price, and we'll set zero shipping rates for prepaid orders. This will help you get more prepaid orders than COD orders on your store. Here you will set a free shipping for prepaid orders, and so go to the domestic settings there and go to edit rate. Here you will see the shipping name, the rate name. So you need to set it as free shipping prepaid orders only, so that the customer will get an idea that he is not going to charge when he will pay online. And then set the price to 0.00 and hit done. Now let's see how we can do the settings for cash on delivery. The prepaid is already done. Now you need to go to settings. For cash on delivery you need to go to settings. So let's go to settings, and from here you need to go to the payments option. In the payment, if you scroll down, you will see somewhere cash on delivery or manual pay under manual payments method. So edit that. Here you can see that I have already set a value for that. So what you need to do is under the more details section, you need to enter this text pay cash on delivery, and you need to mention how much you are going to charge the customer. Now this amount may differ for you. I have charged 39 rupees, so you can charge a max 50 to 60 rupees on cash on delivery in India. In the payment instruction, you can write something like this: your cash on delivery is booked. Thank you for shopping with your store name. This message will be shown to your customers once they will place the order on cash on delivery. So make sure to add something in the instructions like this. Now let's save these settings here and move on to the next step. So the setup is still not done. You can see all the payments method which are active on your store. On the left hand side here you can see that what all payment methods is being accepted on your store. We have PayPal Express Checkout, cash on delivery, we have Razorpay cards payment. So I recommend you use PayPal also for India, because PayPal is getting more tractions because of the offers and cashback it is offering. People are willing to pay through PayPal, so make sure to have PayPal also as an option along with Razorpay or any other third-party payment providers. Now let's move on to the next step. We'll be installing an app which is known as Advanced Cash on Delivery. So it is a cash on delivery app which is available for only Indian users. So we'll be installing this app. Will give you some more features. It's a blue icon app known as by Shopify itself. The good thing about the app is it's completely free. As you can see, it says control how the buyers use COD on your store. So basically you can set some limits on your COD, because if you are doing cash on delivery in India, you will be getting a lot of fake customers, and to avoid those kind of fake orders we need this app. Now let's open and add this app to our store. Install the app. So on successful installation, you will see this kind of dashboard where you have order subtotal, where you can put a limit to your value, order value. So in the minimum price, it will be set as 0.00, and the maximum price you can set no limit, or you can set a limit if you don't want to give cash on delivery beyond a particular limit. So you can set a limit to your cash on delivery orders. Let's say you don't want cash on delivery orders beyond 5,000 rupees, so you can set a limit of 5,000 rupees there. Then in the postal codes, you can manually enter the postal codes where you are providing cash on delivery service, or you can just upload an Excel sheet with a list of pin codes which are serviceable and which have a cash on delivery options available. For the pin code list, you need to contact your logistics service provider. If you are doing with delivery, then they will give you a Excel sheet, so they will provide you that file. If you're enjoying this video, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because in this channel we discuss about dropshipping and e-commerce. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you all of you who just like this video. Next, we'll set up a cash on delivery charge. So earlier in this video, we set rupees 39 as our shipping charge in the shipping settings. The same setting needs to be done here as well. So for that, you will go to create new cash on delivery shipping rates. So here you can see that already by default there are two shipping rates set. One is 50 rupees and one is 100 rupees. So this setting is based on the weight of the product. You can do this kind of settings, or you can set based on the price as well. So what we are going to do is we are going to set a fixed rate of rupees 39 for all of our orders. So let's do that. So let's edit the rate. Go to edit. Here you'll see the name of the type of payment mode that the customer is going to select. So it will show standard shipping, cash on delivery. So we'll make it COD shipping bracket cash on delivery. So in the description, you need to mention that the customer should select this option to place cash on delivery order, because customers are not that friendly with Shopify checkout page. So you need to mention all possible details. The COD charge we are going to put is rupees 39, and it's not going to be weight based but price based. So keep the minimum price as 0.00 and the maximum as no limit. In the rate amount, just enter the value, that is rupees 39. In your case it may differ. So after doing that, just save it. So we are not done yet. So in the additional setting, you need to inform your customer that the order will be verified after COD call verification, and you can also mention extra informations like the tracking will be sent to you after the order is dispatched, or any other information you like. The instruction depends on your store policies and what settings you want to keep for cash on delivery, so you can change it accordingly. So after you have done all of these settings, just save this. Now just activate the cash on delivery app from here. Click on activate now. So just install payment provider. So it's successfully activated now. Now here you see an error which is asking us to deactivate cash on delivery, as we have activated cash COD method in payment providers. So we need to deactivate that because we are using this app. In the payments, let's go to cash on delivery and edit it. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see deactivate cash on delivery. Just deactivate this from here. So this was all about the cash on delivery settings, especially for Indian dropshipper who was doing dropshipping in India or e-commerce in India with Shopify. Do give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website ecomsprint.com, where we publish articles related to dropshipping, Shopify and print on demand. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.